So I had to start out this stream basically talking about the Reddit recap because I haven't done this in a freaking week. So that's what we're gonna do. I said I was gonna do it. I didn't do it for a while. If you guys aren't part of the Reddit, head on over to Reddit or r/Casey King. I'm not a huge Redditor, but I'm getting into it. r/Casey King. We have a lot of good memes, good clips and stuff. Post all your favorite stuff to that. If you just enjoyed the channel, you want to be part of the community, feel free to head on over there. But before I started this, there was something that Ryan had me order on stream a while ago, and it just got here. I'm not too excited to wear this, but it arrived, so I thought I was gonna put it on. So I have it right over here. It is a hoodie. I don't know if you can see that, but I guess this is like the appropriate time to wear it, so I have to open it. Oh man, this is not the texture I was hoping for on this. I was hoping it would be like a normal hoodie. It's definitely like, oh my god. It doesn't stretch at all, dude. It has no like give at all. So yeah, I'll wear this for the time being, I guess. Oh my god, it hasn't had, this quality is terrible. Like I don't know what I expected when I ordered this, but like it has zero stretch, like at all. It literally does not give. That's cute. Not the word I would have used, but wait, hold on. I'll put the hood up too. Yeah, this is what we're doing as we go through it. Today we have a bunch of excellent posts today on the Reddit. How to add user flair, Ryan doing what he needs to do to moderate this Reddit. There are only 2 moderators right now, just me and Ryan, so we're doing our best. This is the top upvoted post, so it's been a week. Oh, he's not English. This isn't fair. He's not American, dude.
Oh my god.
Of course he's good at this game.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
He didn't even touch the ground, dude. Wait, hold on. If this was NA, then like, there's no way this is possible, but. Jesus, dude.
Oh my god.
That's so nuts. Oh man, I wish I could pull something off like that. I would literally, maybe I'm good for 1. I'm normally, that's the type of guy I am. I'm normally good for 1. Never good for 5 without touching the ground. That's actually impressive, but. They're coming to vents. Oh no.
One enemy remaining.
Unless the person doesn't know how to play Sage, leave them alone. Fellow Sage mans rise up. Sage revive me. Sage heal me. Sage put the wall there. Me playing Sage running away. I like the look on his face too. He's like happy. No, this is true, dude. Leave the Sage the fuck alone. You don't do this with any other character. You don't do it with Jett. You have an updraft. It doesn't fucking happen. You have wall, you have a heal, you have res. Everyone's always telling Sage what the fuck to do. Just because it benefits me doesn't mean that I should do it for like to help you. Oh my god, it just drives me nuts. You're playing Sage. Oh, you can wall and res me. You can wall and res me. Shut the fuck up. I will upvote that. They know what's up, dude. Oh, here's Bine's PC, dude. Bines was building his PC. He got a 2070 Super. I think so. Anyway. Not the exact same card that I have, but it's the same card that I have. What's the difference between brands, Waffles? So, like, I have, like, a GeForce, or I have a Gigabyte one, and it looks like he has, like, an MSI. Those are the same things? Like, sorry. Yeah, what's the difference between these? Gig is trash. Okay, so I bought a trash one. Heard. Don't forget that the fan cable hanging front and center. I would just leave that, truthfully. You guys want to see my PC? Let me show you my cable management. Sweet, so this is my PC. Notice my wonderful cable management. I just have cables fucking everywhere. There's cable going right in front of it. We got this guy. Here's this one. I literally don't care. I took this fan off because I didn't know. I don't think I had the screws for it. My motherboard, fun fact, it's only screwed in by 3 screws. We don't have more than 3. Yeah, it's a little bit of a mess. It's also open right now, if you couldn't tell. So yeah. But it's assembled. It looks really pretty. Look at all the LEDs and stuff. The management is good. Isn't it great, dude? Hey, I helped build that. Yeah, Waffles helped me with this, dude. This graphics card got stuck in the motherboard last week. I was so angry. I was so fucking angry because it got stuck in. And I know people are thinking like, King, just undo the latch. No, it wasn't that easy, dude. The latch was stuck. It wasn't like oh yeah, just undo the latch. The latch was literally fucking stuck. There wasn't like oh, just undo it. It was a nightmare. Oh, Bine's just he posted another picture to the Discord. This is what his looks like now. He literally has the same PC as me, except his is cleaner. So he fixed the wire, dude. Okay, so Bine's fixed his. Mine is still a mess. But this is Bine's now, who literally has like the same PC as me now. Look at that, man. He has RAM, he has a processor, he has a cooler, he has a graphics card. It's like basically the same PC. Oh my god, that's crazy. This is a Plat 3 Phoenix 4K entry. Let's see it, dude. Waiting for the Killjoy ulti. They're waiting it down. Look at, they waited. They didn't just push in through the Viper Molly and smoke. She's disabled. She was waiting for it. If they push in, that Viper potentially gets a couple kills. Tagged by the Dart does not give a fuck, though, because he's playing Phoenix, dude. Ooh, okay. Okay, Ares. Okay, Ares. He's not even spelled like Ares, the god of war. He's spelled like Ares, like the sign. You know? This man's a baller. I like this bait right here. So, it goes a little bit unnoticed, but since he's tagged right here, right, they know he's pushing in. But because they know he's pushing in, he knows they're all looking at him too. So when he throws out this flash, dude, it's gonna mess him up. It's seriously gonna mess him up. Watch him throw this flash. Flashes her, flashes not him, but it flashes that guy. She's doing other things. Yeah, good move, dude. Good move, Ares. Nice play, man. That's clean. That's clean, dude. We got 3 Killjoy lineups for default plant spots on B. I never learned my Killjoy lineups. They're good to have. Like, I feel like Killjoy lineups are probably better than just placing them on the bomb. Because, like, if you have the lineup, then you can throw it, and then they can't kill it right away, right? Because you can activate it pretty much as soon as it hits the ground. It makes it really hard to shoot. So if you know the lineup, I feel like it's almost better. But a lot of people just place them directly on top of the bomb, and then I can clear them when I approach up. I've seen this before. This one's kind of dope. You've never done this? This happened to us once, and then I can't remember who I was playing with. It was like Ryan or Lucas or something. Got really pissed at us because they were like, go shoot the Killjoy ulti, and we couldn't find it, dude. We tried to peek into garden, and we were like, where is it? We thought it was right against the wall. It's up in the freaking sky, man. It ended up going off and detaining like 3 of us. They're like, why did you shoot it? We couldn't find it. This is the Phoenix play when you have 0 confidence in your team. You're sitting back and spawn. You're like, I'm just going to rotate wherever they go, homie. You guys can't hold shit. I'm just going to stand and spawn wherever they go. I'm going to rotate there.
Get out of my way.
It's B.
It's B. Okay. Head in B. Head in B.
Wow.
Nice shots, Evan. What is this Omen doing? That Omen just ulti in there? Was that an Omen ult? Well, I gotta go back.
One enemy remaining.
Good shot.
He's got a feeling. Ooh, game sense, Evan. Yeah, let's fucking go, man. Because he knew she was heaven, I guess. How did he know? He's just feeling it. Fuck yeah, Evan. You hear her?
Enemy remaining.
Good shot. Good shot. Oh my.
Fucking Evan, dude. He just knew. That is good game sense. Okay. Yeah, his Omen right here. What the fuck is this Omen ult? I'm not here to throw shade, but this is a garbage Omen ult. Well, they're already on site. What are the odds that there's somebody pillar? Pretty fucking high. They are taking heaven control right now. Like, what is this Omen ult? Dude, oh my god. With my luck, that Omen is a viewer, and he's gonna be like, oh, the King Life hated my ult. I'm sorry, homie. Just don't ult there next time. You can ult back here and spawn with your Phoenix. Maybe even in tunnels might even be a valid play, but don't ult there. With a classic, he's just a classic Jett abuser. That's all he is. You know, he's good. He's really good. He's flying through the air, right-clicking people. Not saying it's balanced. Looks cool. Looks a little cool. Definitely not balanced, but, you know, we're not here to complain. We're not here to complain. Let's be honest here, though. This shot, should this be legal? Should this be legal in Valorant? Should this be allowed? Probably not. I think this one was even worse here. He's just flying through the air. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. I'm not happy. What kind of a smiley face person are you guys? Are you like one of these? I'm one of these recently. I really like these ones. I don't know why. This one's okay. We got this one. Bappo's that kind. I've been doing the little C and the colon. I like those ones. Don't know why. I think they're kind of cute. It's so wholesome. And then you realize I'm like kind of a piece of shit, and you're like, fuck, dude. Oh man, he fooled us with that smiley face right there. That's Jordan's one. That one's not even a smiley face, Jordan. What the fuck, dog? Jordan's is so... Jordan, come on, man. Jordan's is a straight face. He just doesn't smile. We got a ranked rant from this guy. What's he saying? This post is not meant to be whiny, but the comment on the problems I've experienced with my rank system needs a massive overhaul. This rank season has not been super fun or enjoyable. My matches have been plagued with throwers or just toxic individuals. I just got back to the rank where I have been in the other season. I'm going to skip through because I've read like thousands of posts like this. Not to critique this man, but my solution to these problems is to add strict punishments for players who have alternate accounts or throw Smurf. Currently, bans are the issues are hacking, not misconduct. Champ ban only occurs by players. So I don't feel like there's an easy solution to this, right? Like he posted this entire novel. I know that I just kind of skimmed through it. The only reason that I skimmed through it, your hentai hoodie has me cackling. I don't think it's a hentai hoodie because I don't think I'm allowed to wear a hentai hoodie. I don't think there's anything specifically terrible on this hoodie, other than the fact that it is a little cringe. But aside from that, I don't think I looked through it. It doesn't look like there's anything bad. I think I'm allowed to wear it. I think I'm cool. Not cool. Like I think I'm good. So yeah. I think I'm good to wear it. I don't feel cool. Never said I was cool. I said I think that like wearing it is cool, but not like cool and like the good. Moving on, I've read posts like this lots of times. People like, I don't know, dude, like, if you feel like there's like an issue with the rank system, like there probably is. Obviously, nothing's perfect. The best way for them to fix Smurfs or like people who are hacking or like just like making new accounts is they have to be able to identify it and rank them up faster, which is the way that they're doing it, right? The Smurfs rank up pretty fast as is. If you're fragging out in a lot of games, you kind of just rank up faster. So that's like the best way for me to see that they could do it. They ban hackers, they hardware ban them. I don't know what else you want from that. Like that's the best way that they can deal with it. They have a report system. You got to use the report system if you want people to get banned. That's the best way. But like, there's no perfect solution to this. Apex has problems with Smurfs. League of Legends has problems with Smurfs. Counter-Strike has problems with Smurfs. It's in every game. It's not like a Valorant exclusive problem, and it's just a problem with gaming. So like, I don't know. There's no solution. I understand the frustration with it, but if you're getting too frustrated about lower ranked players like throwing or just being bad at the game, or people being toxic, you gotta mute them or you gotta try a different game. Maybe competitive games aren't for you. I'm sorry, homie. Like I don't wanna like throw people under the bus here, but like if you're getting too tilted about people being mean to you, maybe just not the game for you. I was playing League with some people yesterday. Not like I wasn't cute with them, but it was two bot laners. Jordan was in this game, and they were flaming each other so fucking hard. Both of them, the AD carry and the support, just going at each other. And I was like, guys, I'm gonna be straight with you. If you can't handle laning with another player, don't play bot lane. Don't do it. If you can't handle your bot laner being bad, don't play bot lane. Just don't. I play jungle. That way I can ignore you motherfuckers in the bot lane who are just being pissed off. I can go somewhere else. I don't need to deal with it. But no, it's people. Yeah, sorry. It is the self-awareness thing. Maybe just not play Valorant. What is the bot lane and jungle? Like, am I dumb? Bot lane. So here's the setup in League of Legends, right? If you don't play League, there are 3 different lanes, and then there's a jungler. The top lane is a solo player. He plays in top lane. He is solo for a majority of the game because he is so far away from literally everything else on the map. The mid laner generally roams. He'll help out the top lane and the bot lane like a little bit, and then he'll help out the jungler with like objectives. The jungler does his own thing. He's killing jungle monsters. He's helping out all of the lanes, trying his best to help out. The bot lane is the only lane, the only one where you are laning with another individual right from the start. Now tell me why people with the lowest tolerance for other people pick to lane and bot lane. Why do you do it? Doesn't make any sense. You're like, oh man, I hate people, so I play 80 carry. What are you doing? Go fucking top. Go lane in the top lane. Get out of the bot lane. What are you doing? It doesn't make any sense. Oh man, it drives me absolutely nuts.